Leaders after Augustus. Station notes. General Vespasian, Roman peace. In AD 69, General Vespasian became emperor. He restored order in Rome. He was harsh to anyone who opposed Roman rule. There was a Jewish revolt in the eastern Roman province of Judea. Vespasian's son, Titus, defeated Jewish rebels with his troops. In AD 70, Titus destroyed the Jewish temple in Jerusalem. Vespasian constructed the Colosseum, a huge amphitheater. This was an amazing architectural contribution. Following Vespasian's death, his sons Titus and Domitian each governed Rome. During the rule of Titus, there were two disasters in Rome. AD 78, the Great Fire badly damaged Rome, and in AD 79, Mount Vesuvius volcanic eruption destroyed Pompeii. Both Titus and Domitian ruled during an era of relative growth and prosperity. The five good emperors: Nerva, Trajan, Hadrian, Antonius Pius, and Marcus Aurelius. The five good emperors ruled from approximately AD 96 to AD 180. These emperors were not related to Augustus or Vespasian. They did not abuse their power. The five good emperors were among the most capable rulers in Rome's history. They governed during a time of economic growth when trade and agriculture flourished. They introduced programs to help the empire's people. These emperors did great things for Rome. Nerva revised taxes. He implemented land reforms and helped the poor. Trajan made money available so that poor children could receive an education. Trajan also expanded the Roman Empire to its maximum size. It extended Britain in the northwest and into Mesopotamia in the east. Trajan's successors, however, thought the empire was too large to rule effectively. Hadrian made Roman laws easier for ordinary citizens to understand. He improved Roman cities. He improved Roman cities by using tax money to build monuments, arches, bridges, roads, and harbors. He built aqueducts to bring water from the country to the city. Hadrian withdrew forces from regions they could not defend. He reinforced areas that were easier to protect. Antonius Pius enacted laws that assisted orphans. Marcus Aurelius reformed several Roman laws. He implemented programs to sustain the empire's economy.